Hey guys, it's Drac. Today I'm going to be doing the ultimate Nerf Scout IX-3 mod tutorial. I love this blaster. It's really fun to hold because of the way that the grip's handled, and it's really thin, and it's got a lot of punch, but there is a way to improve it. It comes with the power utility system, and I don't know if there's any better way to get it. I'd love to get just a bunch of them on their own because I'm not a big fan of the Titan. But to take it apart, you start with a Phillips head screwdriver. Come in and get these 4 screws. When you lift off your sliding mechanism, make sure that you keep track of both the rail attachment and its spring and the button and its spring. Set those aside and drop off the other side and the metal pin that cocks it. Keep those together. Now, the rest of the screws are here, 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 and here. And these 2 are smaller than all the other ones, so make sure that you keep track of that. Then come in and pry it open, and you'll find out that it actually has remarkably simple internals. Even with that extra button trigger mechanism, everything's pretty straightforward in here. We've got the trigger that activates both ways, and we've got a plunger system, and it's just that simple. I love this little blaster. When you take this apart, you'll notice that the air restrictor's in the back, and it's pretty sturdy on there. It comes in through these 4 holes instead of a traditional air restrictor. It's not going to be a problem to get out because I've got a Dremel with a utility bit, and I'm going to take that out, and I've got needle nose pliers, so I'm going to take out the peg first. Peg comes out pretty easily. I'm setting my Dremel to a high speed so I get a clean cut, but that may be kind of whining in the video. There's not much I can do about that. I'm going to have to come back with my power drill afterwards and get out the rest of it, but that's opening it up a little bit of the way anyway. The only other thing is that there is holes on each side of this barrel, and I think that I'm losing some air through there. So I'm going to go ahead and seal that up with a bead of hot glue on each end. After you've done that on each end and kind of put it into place and fully removed that air restrictor, you can put it back together, and unless you're doing a spring replacement, you should be pretty done, but you'll be getting better ranges. I've been commissioned to replace the barrel with some 17/32 brass and rebarrel it with that so it'll shoot all sorts of darts, and I'm going to do that in this video. That's a commission for Lego Killer, so you guys can see that.